You know how a really good crispy fish taco just makes you feel like you're on a warm tropical vacation? Because that's how it makes me feel. But it's kind of difficult to get them when I'm not on vacation, so I devised a way to cook them in my very own backyard with a super crispy, light batter, perfectly cooked halibut, a lime and honey cilantro slaw on top, and the ratio of fish to tortilla is absolutely insane. These are backyard taqueria style crispy fish tacos. I'm gonna show you how to make them at home, so let's do it.
We're gonna kick things off by making our slaw. I've got a coleslaw blend here with green cabbage, red cabbage, carrots. I'm gonna add in some green onions and some cilantro. Then we make the dressing. Avocado oil, lime juice, honey, kosher salt. Incredibly simple, but the simple dressing will really let this bright, acidic, and slightly sweet slaw pop on top of that crispy, deep fried halibut. It is so delicious. We mix it up quickly, set it aside, and then we put together the ingredients for the crispy fish batter. It's a little bit unique. I will have the full quantities for you, but it is cornstarch, rice flour, baking powder, salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. Now, if you want to skip a step, I actually have a crispy chicken wing batter that you can use in place of making this yourself, and I will put a link to that in the description as well. Basically, it's a really beautiful, thin, almost tempura style batter that's really fluffy when you put it on the fish, so it holds on really well, but it's very crispy, crunchy, and stays crispy for a long time. Beautiful part is it's mixed with really, really ice cold water. Once you whisk that together and get it to a nice thin, like slightly thinner than pancake consistency, it's time to batter the fish. Now, I said I used halibut, but you can use your favorite firm white fish here. Give it a nice thin dunk in your batter, and it goes into some hot oil. My oil is running about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm doing this over my coals in my backyard because I don't like the smell of deep fried in my house, but you can totally do it on your stovetop as well. Once those are nice golden brown and your fish is about 145 degrees inside, I like to take them off onto a cooling rack. Now, the batter is seasoned, but you can season with additional salt to give you some really nice flavor on the outside of your fish. Put them into your warm taco shells, top with that beautiful cilantro, honey, lime slaw, a little bit of sour cream or Mexican crema, and you are ready to enjoy some of the best tacos ever.
We've got some beautifully prepared fish tacos, corner flour, choose your own adventure. I'm gonna go for this one on the end right here. I like both, but this one was speaking to me. Now, if you go to a restaurant, there is no way you're getting that ratio of fish to taco shell to slaw. That is an excessively amazing amount of halibut right there. This tangy lime and honey slaw, perfect acidic offset to that crispy fried fish. This is a really easy one to knock out at home. And of course, I mean, you don't have to deep fry it over your charcoal. You could do that over your stove, I guess, but cooking outside is always more fun. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.